Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I did a thing. I didn't film it, so I kind of did it on a whim, but I got my rock lights installed. To me, it looks a lot better. It's not really dark out here yet, but I will do a video later of when it is dark. I'm eating this cinnamon bread. It's delicious. So, anyways, so my next thing I was thinking about doing is this. See how my exhaust is? See, I'm putting them right underneath there. Like my exhaust, and I don't really have a suspension a lot back here. It's just weak things and Fox shocks, so you really can't read it. So, see my dude is all wired up, obviously. Let's see. Got a little switch right here. It's all wired up underneath my hood, obviously. Looks okay, not super pretty, but it looks better than it did before because now I got rock lights. Got a little bit of grass right here. Okay, so what I was thinking about doing, to move back there. But yeah, so what I was thinking about doing is taking the other two lights I got two other lights, putting them back where my exhaust is, so I'm walking my house. So I'm putting it back where my exhaust is so you can actually see my exhaust when it's dark outside. Obviously, that's what you use the record for anyways. So I'm doing that though. I want you guys to tell me, is it dark? Tell me what you think I should do. Should I put them back there or should I put them in my wheel wells? Because I'll have to find space that doesn't cut in my bed at all. Obviously, I don't want that, but I could take them and put them right there instead. If I did that, it may make it, I don't know, it may make it lit up in the back still, I suppose, but it may not. I don't know. I'll test it out. I'll kind of mock them up. I'll put some like tape up there or something, tape them up there and see how it is. I still got to figure out a way to put the wiring from the back to the front because it's not really long. My truck's pretty long. It's a crew or it's a quad cab regular bed. But I need to see if I can make it to where I don't have to like add wiring to it. I mean, I got plenty of wiring. I just don't want to have to add wiring to it. It's kind of a pain. I mean, I do work on electrical stuff, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. So let me know what you guys think. Should I put those in there like that? These are from Walmart. Like I said in my last video, these are from Walmart, but I am going to be getting some from RBP eventually. I just kind of wanted to get these cheaper ones just to make sure that, hey, how I like them, if I like them. And if I do like them, which I kind of do already like them, then what I'll do is I will get the ones from RBP along with other stuff too. There's more stuff coming too. I may have to wait till I get back from overseas, but I'm not sure. So I know this video is not that long. I'm back out in my garage. Okay, so I know this video is not that long today. And I'm going to start making more videos that are longer. Like I said yesterday in my video, I want to start making videos pretty much at least once, maybe twice, 3 times a week. And my videos are going to be mainly on my truck. Coming up soon, they're going to be more about other stuff that I've been doing, and you guys will see that in later videos. I actually filmed this on my phone right now just because it's easier. My GoPro is actually charging right now. I didn't have any issue with the battery, but I still love it though. It's still a great camera. It's amazing. The app is super cool. How I can edit everything on there. But my future content coming up. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. Probably post it on Thursday, since I got family coming into town tomorrow, and I got work tomorrow, obviously. But on Thursday, I'm gonna try to get my buffer out. Try to buff my truck since it's kind of not really scratchy. It's a little bit messed up. The paint's kind of old on it. But I did get clay bar kit, like I said the other day, I need to get a better one. I think that this one's okay, not the best in the world, but I am going to make a video of another install on my truck. I'll probably do the rear rock lights. I may put them on my wheel wells. I said before, you know, let me know if you think I should put them in my wheel wells, or should I put them in my back behind, you know, where my exhaust is, and so that way you can actually see that. I don't really have much suspension components in the back, except for, you know, normal stuff that these trucks have. But I am also trying to look for wheels. I do have a thing through a company. I just got paid. I don't know if I want to do it now or when I get back from overseas. I may do it now. It's by RBP, I'll just say it. The RBP. I have a couple of things coming for this channel, and it's going to be great. So let me know in the description or not in the description, in the comments, what you think I should do, and I will check on that path. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Like and subscribe, and follow my Instagram. All right, America.